Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out. 1979 Chevy Camaro Z28, all original, 350 number matching. Even's got the stock manifold on it. Stock engine compartments are all there. It's got the Th350 Automatic trans. Only thing's been upgraded is the aluminum radiator. It's got factory air conditioning with a 12-bolt rear end and a 308 gear. Power disc brakes, power steering, and it is Carmine red paint. Real nice. Factory original car with the iconic Z28 in it. Just one of those beautiful 70 cars. Great lines. Driver quality paint, since it's all original. It's showing 21,000 miles on it. It could be 121, it could be 21. We have nothing to prove anyway to see. But the body panels are pretty straight with one little dent that I'll go over with you on the driver's side. But it hasn't been painted, it's original paint. Still has a shine to it. It's never been in a fight. You can see the way it lines up. The hood lines up great. All the way throughout. Front bumper is okay. It's all original. Being that it's that plastic, it's fading a little bit. Hood's got some fades in it. Somewhat just a paint job away from being a show car. A little bit in the interior as well. Door to the fender lines up great. All your glass around the car is in good condition. Quarter to the door lines up wonderful. Here's what I'm talking about. There's where your fading's coming in. You got a little dent there. Let me get off it a little bit, but it's there. It's got some age on that paint because it's all original. Rear bumper's in good shape, but as well, the paint is faded a little bit. More than a little bit. But it lines up great. Look at how the trunk lines up. These are great investments. Passenger side quarters in good shape all the way through. Roof line. Those leaves are extra that just blew on there. No charge. Lines up great to the quarter. Sport mirrors on both sides. Fender to the door, good. Passenger side's in okay shape, or better than okay shape. It's nice, and it's straight. Come on, let's take a look inside. Seatbelt's intact in the rear. Headliner's in good shape all the way throughout. Sun visors are intact. Door panels are fine. No rust to be found. Underneath is real clean. Little tear here on the seat and the bolster. Not crazy to be fixed. Nothing crazy. Dash pad is good. 21,004 miles. All your factory gauges are there. Automatic trans. Factory radio. Little aftermarket gauges there. Carpets are in good shape. take a look at the passenger side. Door panel is good. Passenger seat's in good shape, no rips or tears. Let's take a look at the trunk. Spare tire. Original sticker still on the back. All original. All your welds. All original. Let's fire this Z up. Right up. That carb is dialed in. Tach is working, gas gauge is working, volt is working, temp is working, radio is working, horn is working. All your lights are working. Sounds good. Couple little belt noises which we'll take care of. Always something. Aluminum radiator. All original underneath here, everybody. Pretty darn clean, too. Give it a little gas. Nothing's been modified. Good example that needs a little bit of work for a 1979 Z28. These are going right up in value. Nice car. We've got over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, as well as photos and video are on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We ship all over the United States, enclosed and open, bonded and insured to your door. If you have any questions on our cars or need a quote for shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 until 5, Saturday from 10 until 2, by appointment only. Set up an appointment by calling me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this 1979 Chevy Camaro Z28. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day, everybody.